Before we can get palm kernel oil, we need to dry the palm kernel for some time. So this is the dry palm kernel. And guys, we're going to make oil out of this nut. So we will go ahead, beat and remove the skin to get the fruit. That is what we are going to be using for our oil preparation. So guys, this is Ahima. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own palm kernel oil at home and the benefit you're going to get from this oil. Why do you need this oil in your homes? So stay tuned with this video to the end. This oil has been in existence for a very long time, but currently we are ignoring the presence of this oil. Palm kernel oil has a lot of benefits to individuals, both to our health, our hair, our skin. Palm kernel oil play a very important role in our life as an individual. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the nut that I had, and this is what I'll be using for the oil. I will put this nut on the fire for some time. So palm kernel oil is good for the hair because it conditions, thickens, reduces breakages, and improve the quality and texture of the hair. That is why you need to add some of this oil to your conditioner to improve your hair quality and provide hair growth. This oil is also loaded with antioxidants, and this is very good for our skin because it contains vitamin E, which provide an amazing anti-aging benefit. This oil is rich in vitamin K, and that is good for our bones. Not forgetting this oil being rich in vitamin A as well, which is good for our vision. It has other nutritional purposes. So aside from the benefit you can get from using this oil on your hair, you can also get other medicinal benefits from this oil. Guys, you can give it a try. Apply some of this oil to your conditioner. You can add some of this oil to your diet. So guys, let me know if you're going to give it a try. When you do, please do not forget to come and then share your experience on this page. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and share this video. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.